BlackHawk utility helicopter is finally home. The delivery of the first 5 of 6 ordered brand new S-70I BlackHawk combat utility helicopters has landed at Clark International Airport from Rezo Hajonka Airport at around 10:48 hours Manila on November 9, 2020. This said transport aircraft made a stop in Kuwait before flying to the Philippines. The flight took 3 days. Departure from Sionka Rescue Airport at November 7 via Kuwait International on November 8, the Polish Embassy in the Philippines said. The purchase of 16 S-70 combat utility helicopters manufactured by the Polish Aviation Works Mielec or PCL Mielec is an excellent example of cooperation between our two countries, said Jaroslaw Siepansiewicz, charged the affairs of the Embassy of the Republic of the Poland in Manila. The Polish Embassy noted that 16 BlackHawks were ordered under PAF Combat Utility Helicopter Phase 3 acquisition project. These 16 BlackHawk S-70I that were purchased by the Philippine government will fly under the 205 Tactical Helicopter Wing of the Philippine Air Force. The aircraft that flew in the helicopters could only accommodate 5 units, and as a result, a 6th was loaded on a ship, which is expected to arrive in Manila next month. The remaining 10 units are expected to be delivered within the first quarter of 2021. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for my or in my channel for more updates.